Hi, Pádraig here, McNally Motors. Today I want to show you around our 2017 Volkswagen Golf Plus. This is the 1.2 petrol model, finishing in a red metallic paint. It's got low road tax of €270. It's got 12 months warranty and roadside assistance, and it's just been serviced here at McNally Motors, including the time belts. Now we'll take a look at the features the car has to offer. It's got the front and rear parking sensors, 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with excellent tyres all around. It's got nice clean bodywork also. It's got a nicely spacious boot with fold down seats for additional space. Lots of legroom in the back. It's got the Isofix for the car seats, centre arms and cup holders, trays, extended head height. It's finished in a navy and grey cloth interior. Electric windows and mirrors. Multifunctional steering wheel. Cruise control. Touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth. It's got satellite navigation. Got the rear camera also. It's got the air conditioner with dual climate control. 6-speed manual gearbox. Push button start. Automatic handbrake with the hill start assist. USB and aux port. Panoramic sunroof. Tilt and slide also. And there's just over 128,000 kilometres on the clock. Here at McNally Motors, we can offer a wide range of finance options on this Golf to suit your needs. So please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car. You can also book a test drive. Thanks very much.